One of the best kept secrets to improve the internet connection in your home are Powerline adapters. And help explain the newest Powerline adapters on the market, we have Ye from Netgear. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
So let's talk about these. I heard these are kind of a big deal. What's new about these new Powerlines?
So Powerline, as you know, is for a case like where you have thick wall, where your wireless can't go through those high, like a concrete brick walls. So Powerline is the solution for you in that case. So Powerline, what it does, you connect one side to the wall, connect to the router, and then different rooms, you plug a second Powerline, and then now you have internet connection through the Powerline. So the two new products we introduced in CES this year is the latest technology. It's a 1200 megabits per second. So the previous version we support 600 megabits per second.
So you've almost doubled the speeds.
Not only double, I'm going to later show you a video, actually it's more than double. These two, the difference between these two is this one has a pass-through outlet.
This is very, very important because the problem with Powerline adapters, and a lot of people don't know this and they make this mistake, is they'll connect it to a power bar and then that creates all kinds of issues.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we recommend users to try not to do that. So especially you don't want to plug into a power strip.
Yeah, it's a good tip. Power lines and power bars don't mix, but you always have to sacrifice an outlet. But with this one, you can still use that outlet and have your Powerline adapter connected.
Especially this is popular in Europe because in Europe they usually don't have as many outlets as in US. So you plug the Powerline and then you now have an extra outlet you can use.
You know, one great application for Powerline adapters is like a lot of kids or families have the basement where the kids play their video games. And to get it, they don't have a good internet connection, so what they tend to do is use a Powerline, then you can connect your console directly to that so you can play online gaming.
That's correct. Not only that, on the other side of the room, you can connect the access point, like our wireless range extender. So you can have both Powerline and the wireless cover that room.
That's fantastic. So with the Powerline, so if you put a Powerline adapter and a range extender, you could really stretch your Wi-Fi signal all around the home.
That's correct.
And so what kind of price points are we talking about for these new ones?
So these two are selling for $79.99. And the pass-through version is $10 more, $89.99.
And both of these have the same speeds, except this one comes with the outlet, correct?
Correct, that's correct. And then I'm going to show you a video showing you the benchmark performance testing. So what we do is we transfer large file, 500 megabyte file, from one side of the power line to the other side. So on the left, you're going to see the speed we tested using the existing power line 500. And on the right side is the power line 1200 through this product. So 500 megabyte file transfer, you can see can transfer quickly, finish the transfer in 12 seconds. However, with the existing one, it will finish in 46 seconds. So as you can see, even though the file rate is only 2 times faster, but the real data throughput, which is the most important thing, is actually 4 times faster.
That's absolutely amazing. I didn't know that Powerline could get faster. I always thought like a cable is a cable because technically it's using the electrical grid in your house to send that that internet through to another room.
Correct, that's correct. So the electrical signal can actually carry a higher speed.
So if you're in the market to improve your internet connection, say you are trying to get internet in the basement and your router is on the top floor, Powerline adapters are an excellent solution. Thanks, Ye.
That's correct. Thank you.